How to update your Agoda profile. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to the official website at agoda.com. On the top right corner, click on Sign in and log into your Agoda account using your email, Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. Once you are signed in, click on your profile icon at top right corner and select the profile option. Here you will see options to update your personal information such as your name, phone number, email address, and password. To make changes, simply click on the edit button next to the detail you want to update, enter the new information, and then hit save. Updating your profile ensures that all your bookings, payment details, and travel notifications are accurate and secure. It also helps Agoda provide you with a smoother experience and better travel offers. Once saved, your Agoda profile will be updated instantly and ready to use for all your future bookings. Now you know how to update your Agoda profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more booking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.